guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be explaining how to connect between your Blogger blog and Adsense account if you already have one Adsense account. So if you go there, I'm going to show you how to show ads live in your Blogger blog by just connecting your Blogger with your Adsense account. If you have two different accounts, in the first account you have your Blogger, in the second account you have Adsense account, then you do as follow. Click on earnings. In this case we have a new blog and it won't be available to connect. However, you'll have a button here basically to click on connect a account. Once you do that, it will take you to log in to that account which you have your Adsense account. You log in, then the connection will be successful. Once the connection is successful, it asks you to redirect to your Blogger blog, which is this one here. Another way you can do is by logging to your Adsense account. Now if I log out basically from this blog, then I'm gonna have to log in back. However, in this case I just want to show you example. Log into your Adsense account. You have another videos on how to get a code from your Adsense account. It's very easy to do that. And I'm just gonna go myself and just grab the code and show you how to install. Example, this is some of the Adsense code I have already generated myself. Well, it's been generated from Adsense. And now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to HTML JavaScript and then I'm going to paste. Or another way is you can use the add a gadget, then go to HTML JavaScript, and again it's the same thing, just paste, click on save, and you are done. Now you can drag and drop to whatever you want inside your blog. So I'm going to click another one and I'm just going to click on save now. Now I installed two ad codes. You can put this code at the top just before post, so then the ads will be shown, or if you prefer basically to show post first and then the Adsense ads, that's up to you, how to decide. But it's recommended basically to add the code somewhere at the top, so user doesn't have to navigate and then find your advertisement, but it should be seen when the user basically first visit your website. That's the way they can you can have more clicks than you would probably have if you had the ad code somewhere at the bottom. Okay, and once you do that, I'm just going to remove that as well, okay, because we won't need. I'm going to click on save and then let's just reload. Now as you can see in here is showing a white space with no ads, which means it takes a couple of minutes the ads to start appearing here. Only a couple of minutes. If you have a full non-hosted Adsense account, it only takes a couple of minutes to start showing in your blog. However, if you go hosted Adsense account, then you're gonna have to log into your Adsense account, hosted Adsense account, and then there basically you have the option to submit a URL. Once you submit the URL, they will review it. When I mean they, I mean Google will review it, and then they will decide to accept or not basically to show ads into that blog or website. Once they accept, ads will start showing, and then you can start making money straight away. What I mean by that, by starting to drive traffic to your website or blog. So this is how it works. Probably if I reload a couple of times, the ads may start showing up, or it may take a little bit more time. So some people, they ask a question like how to get high CPC, like cost per click on ads, because sometimes the cost per click is very low and all that. And most times it's high. It depends on the niche you use. You have to search, the best thing is to search for high paying Adsense keywords. In that case you find a high, very high sort of paying keyword that willing to pay a lot of money for clicks. Then you create a website related to that niche. It means the entire blog content should be about that niche. Install ads, and then once you get clicks, that's when you get high pay per click. Another way is that, of course, some advertisers, they pay more per click into certain countries rather than paying to every country who clicks on ads. So some countries they pay more. So if you go traffic, let's say probably US, UK, Australia, Canada, and a couple of other countries, then pay-per-click is quite high, and in the case it could be different from some other countries basically. So that's why you need to use a niche that it's got high pay-per-click ads, and in that case you can make more money from that. So the click, it could go easily probably from $1 up to 7-8 US dollar, sometimes even more, just one click. So and then it depends on the user, how long they spend when they click on ads, how long they spend into a third-party website. In this case I'm talking about the advertiser website. So if they spend more time in there and they show interest and all that, they call it bounce rating. So if they show interest and all that, then basically you make more money. However, if they show less interest, then basically you, of course, you still make money, but the pay-per-click is going to be a little bit lower than how it could be if they spend a little bit more time, you know, into that blog or ads. Thanks for watching this video. This video was just to explain to you basically how to connect, you know, Blogger with your ads. Again, as I mentioned, just go to earnings. You can do it two ways. This is the first way if your blog is eligible for monetization. In this case, it says how to qualify for Adsense, and it will say sometimes that you gotta wait 6 months, you know, and publish content often and all that into your blog, so then you can be eligible for monetization. Because this is a new blog I just created today, the button to connect is not showing up at the moment. However, it may show after a couple of months. But for now, if you don't have this option, then you can do another option to show ads still in your blog, but then you're gonna have to log into your Adsense account, go to ad unit, create new ad unit. It's easy. Google will provide you with a code. Copy that code, come up to the layout, use the widget area to add the code, save it, wait a couple of minutes, and the ads will start showing to your blog. Thanks for watching this video.